I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file property tax online in Delhi. First, understand that property tax is an essential annual payment for all property owners in the region. Filing online simplifies the process significantly, allowing you to complete it conveniently from home. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and efficient submission of your property tax. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather all necessary documents. You'll need your unique property ID number, detailed information about the property's area and ownership, and your Aadhaar and PAN card details. Having these prepared beforehand will make the online process much quicker and prevent any potential delays during your submission. Now, let's go through the step-by-step process. Visit the official Municipal Corporation of Delhi website. Locate the property tax section and choose the option to file your tax. Carefully enter your property ID and all other requested details into the online form. Double-check everything for accuracy before moving forward to ensure a correct submission. After verifying your details, proceed to the payment section. You can choose from various secure online payment options, including net banking or credit and debit cards. Once the payment is successful, remember to download and save your official receipt and challan. This serves as crucial proof of your property tax filing, so keep it safe for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.